I'm back with another video. Y'all, I am going to St. Maarten. I have to drive 3 hours to Atlanta to go to Auni's house. I'm super excited. This is my first time flying out of the country and my first time flying with others. Like, I usually fly by myself, but I'm so excited. Let me get right to it. All we do is smoke. Y'all, me and Auni just made it to the airport. We're gonna be late. Getting there though.
It's not busy at all.
Yeah, I don't see nobody going in the airport. Y'all, I left Auni. I got pre-boarded. Military boo. Hello. We're in St. Maarten. Ow. Ooh.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is different. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Back more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad.
Y'all, we getting ready to go on the yacht.
Where'd y'all put it?
I'm so excited.
Beat, take a drink, go to sleep. Get it right up.
It's strong, but it's good.
Shout out Glow.
Yeah.
Shout out Glow.
Shout out club.
Let me we went down real smooth.
It did. That's not bad. I just need like 3 more shots, y'all. Can you turn this off? We need ass shaking music. Like, what's going on? Got a long way to run, and I can't even do nothing.
Scrub the ground. Pick one target, but if I got two, I want the big one.
Another shot, thank you. Shot number 2.
Yo, that go down too smooth. Too smooth. That's gonna creep up on you.
Yeah. Another shot. Yeah. Come on, let's take our shot.
Hold on. You moving too fast.
Y'all kind of fish.
You moving too fast. Y'all doing too much.
We're gonna take our shots without y'all.
Y'all doing too much.
Your shot.
Your daddy was a doggy touch.
Hold on, bro.
I want that.
St. Maarten, what's up?
Have you bitches ever been on a yacht? I don't think
In St. Maarten?
I don't think so.
You hoes be in motherfucking Miami.
Miami, bitch.
You hoes be in Miami.
Yeah, bitches even got a passport.
Passport, nigga, let's play passport together.
You know more than I.
Time like work. Oh, pretty girls, pretty girls, pretty girls. Turn to the bad bitches. Taking trips out the country. Oh, how the times change. She don't wanna go, no.
You from here? No, I'm from France.
She don't wanna go no more. She a passport junkie. Taking trips out the country. Taking trips out the country. May I love you.
Money ass nigga. I ain't taking shit unless it's money. That is the perfect way. Tell me like she like me or something.
Shake that ass. Let me see. Oh, yeah, send it in. I gotta post it on my story. I'm looking for the hoe. Send it in. Send it in, Tyler. Oh, get it higher. Shot o'clock. Go, Nisha. Go, 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 go. And yeah. No, I don't even feel drunk. Like, what's the tea?
Oh, no, bitch, you do.
I can't wait to get back to take some more drinks, to make some more shots, bitch. Auntie, did you have fun?
Did I? Did I?
You can't even really see her, but
Christian,
I love you.
did I motherfucking have fun, bitch? Did I have fun?
Yeah, exactly.
Biggest nurse.
The yacht is over. Kaya, you have fun?
Did.
We had fun. Real bad.
KFC ain't loading.
Y'all, we so motherfucking hungry now.
It's not loading.
They not playing about KFC. Y'all, I am starving. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little drunk, bitch. I want a couple more shots, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Sit down.
I'm for real. I want a couple more shots. Bitch, I want some mashed potatoes and corn, bitch.
Honestly, I already ordered it.
I already ordered it. Here.
So you gonna have to eat what you have, boo. I can't lie.
You need to mind your business.
Oh,
Tell
okay.
him to pick it up.
Y'all, it's day 2. We are going to Phillipsburg. She's laying down again. Get your ass up. What are we supposed to be doing in Phillipsburg? I don't remember. But I'm gonna get ready and get dressed because I think we gotta be out of here by 10:15 or something like that. You are not, but you are not so far. We ain't gotta emphasize nobody. What's going on, sister? Forgot to get that money and lay low. We take shop sprees. I can bring them soda beans. The DVD about 15 TVs. I got them. The big thing said, wipe a nigga know. My girl take the lock of the door. That's my only regret. Throughout the week on the floor. Who would think we were poor? Who would think we was poor?
But tell Rudy I got a bone to pick.
Y'all, we are at brunch at Barati's. I am a little hungry and it is raining. So I'm about to come in.
Right here? Yeah.
Oh, this is cute. I like the little aesthetic. I don't know what I want.
I'm gonna get French toast too. I love this for French toast.
Salmon. They got lamb chops.
I might get this
I
lunch.
think that's dinner, Mama.
Oh, it's like brunching all day.
Let me get this good.
Oh, this is liquor.
Straight liquor. That's what I think.
Mine tastes like champagne.
2, 3.
We gonna get there about, I'm gonna say we get there about 1. We can
Y'all,
leave
my
about
picture's
4.
so cute. Look, hold on.
4 o'clock, because I'm gonna ride jet skis on the beach.
Ooh.
Yes, ma'am. Like, yeah.
I can't wait to take my pictures. The eggs is good.
But the eggs, I can eat the eggs. I mean, like,
The eggs is good. I'm gonna try potatoes. It better be there for me. Let's get a drink.
where is that? Okay, thank you. But I'm coming for the jet ski, so wait. Don't do
What's up, ladies?
Can I get a mango colada? Hello.
I don't got mango. I got passion fruit at the moment and banana. We out of mango and strawberry at the moment.
Is
Sorry.
banana good? Ooh.
Passion fruit?
Right, no banana.
I don't know if I don't know if I like passion
daiquiri
fruit.
with alcohol? How many passion fruit with that?
I guess I'll get the same thing.
Yeah?
I don't know how passion fruit tastes.
It tastes good.
I don't want to give it and I don't like it.
Tell the world about you just so they can get jealous. And if you see it before I do, tell I wish that I been. Turn on the lights. I'm looking forward to. I heard she keep her promises, ain't never turn on you. I heard she ain't gon' change, she gon' never make no move. I heard she be down every time you need her, she gon' do. Turn on the lights. I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward.
shot.
Baddie.
Take the shot, Nisha. Ooh. It was my bag.
Yo, they feeling real freaky with that music.
I want the big one. I want the bitches.
But no, it's not just the big one. I want the rich one. I don't want the big one. I want the
Big one. I got rich and wild in jail, locked in the feds. I was doing legal.
Good morning, y'all. It's day 3. We going to Anguilla today. Another stamp on the passport. I look a mess. But yeah. We about to go. Okay, y'all. This is the fit. Nisha, I need you to tell my thing. Okay. This is what it's supposed to give, y'all. And my shoes are orange to match my top. Hold on, y'all. This is my purse. Don't mind our dirty room. Get into the purse. That's gonna be tutti. That's for the eat. Y'all, we finna get on the ferry.
She a passport.
I should have got that for you too.
Y'all, we is on the ferry hitting the corners hard as hell.
I think I'm
Die in this. We're in Anguilla. Y'all, Nisha said because we in the island, I gotta be nice to the people.
Yeah, the guy said, excuse me, she was talking about some
Like, no, this ain't that. My man ain't finna find out I'm cheating on him.
by entering an old ass.
We're in Anguilla. Woo!
We at Savi. All it is.
I want me a pina colada and a coconut, y'all. It's so pretty. I got blackened fish with rice and peas. And the water's so blue.
That place.
Y'all, we probably finna go to Funzone. We finna walk over there. The wind feels so good right now. Y'all, we at Funzone doing absolutely nothing. The waiter fucking sucks. We hungry. We don't know if we can do the water sports. Like, I'm irritated.
I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's live where the love is like. I put that on my
Oh, this is the aftermath. Get into the makeup.
Ooh, mine came off. Ooh, the lace.
We gotta get that dry.
So I'm gonna have to talk to y'all later.
See y'all. Y'all, we made it to the ferry. We on the way back to St. Maarten. I'm ready to eat and lay down and fix my hair. We finally back. I just warmed up my food. It's oxtail pasta. My food hot as fuck. Yeah, my hip hurts so bad. I don't know what happened, but good morning, y'all. Y'all, today is day 4. We about to go to the beach club, I think. I woke up so late. My lashes is off. I look a mess, but I'm about to get it together. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, this is what I got on. I had to hurry up and rush. Just the makeup. I'm about to run downstairs now. I'm dead. Y'all, I missed the whole day of stuff because I lost my camera. Thank you, y'all. He brought my camera back. I have no footage. We just went and got some Pandora charms. We went to what that was, Moho Beach?
No, Phillipsburg.
No,
And we went Maho Beach before you.
yeah, we went to Moho Beach. Y'all, I missed everything. Like, I have nothing. I'm so sad. But we about to go back to the B&B and chill until later on tonight. So, see y'all then. Okay, y'all, I just got out the shower. I'm probably finna just put powder all over my face, like setting powder, bronzer, blush powder. But we not doing too much. We finna just get super drunk. It's the last night. We in St. Maarten. We got a little done.
We got that done. Okay.
Ready?
Oh shit! Okay, shots up, twin.
We got a little done. Y'all, we at Lotus. Ooh. Y'all, we done took so many motherfucking shots. Like, what's up? Y'all, we is already a little drunk. Y'all, look at our driver! Say hi! Oh, y'all, it's Rudy! Y'all, our favorite driver is back! We gonna get food! Yeah, we finna get food from the food truck.
Sit down and eat, or you gonna take?
No, we gonna take it to go. We hungry. We ready to go. Yeah.
Wait.
Rudy, you come to pick us up. Oh, they know better.
I ain't come to move now. I thought you.
He know better.
I thought you were partying.
Yeah, we was partying, but we hungry and we ready to go though. Yeah. It seemed like they had everything here though. Oh my God, one more shot is insane.
Rudy, I love it here.
We coming back. We coming back, y'all. Bro, they trying to get us fucked up. We got my oxtails, y'all. We waiting on Auni food. Y'all, me and Auni done made it back. We finna eat our food and we finna go to sleep. We gotta be up at 9:30 in the morning, get ready to leave, and yeah. See y'all in the morning. It's the last day. It's the last day, y'all. I'm so sad, but I'm finna clean up and get ready, pack my stuff to go. See y'all. Our bags already packed, y'all. We're just waiting to go. Y'all, me and Auni finna go get some brunch before he take us to the airport. And we like over here by the beach where we was at yesterday, where you see the planes land. Tortuga.
Have good food, and also we get to see the planes.
Breakfast is here, guys.
Oh yes, you know how we both got the camera focused on it.
Oh, that's cute. Y'all, I got steak and eggs with avocado. Auni, what you got?
Sausage, potatoes, you know, the rag.
Yeah. It's a sad day in St. Maarten. In the airport, me and Auni was getting like souvenirs, so I'm gonna show y'all my souvenirs. I got this shot clip. This says St. Maarten. I'm probably give this to my dad. My sister wanted a postcard. I don't know if I'm supposed to write on it or what, but I got a postcard. I got this keychain, this one for me, and it comes like with a locket. It's so cute. And then I got my mama this one, this keychain. Y'all, it's 2 a.m. Me and Auni just made it back to Atlanta. This was a fun girls trip. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see y'all again. Love y'all.